In this video, we'll see about photogrammetry. So photogrammetry is an advanced level of surveying. So this is being used currently nowadays. So photogrammetry, simply put, it is the science of measuring with photos. So what you try to do is you mount a camera on an aircraft or a drone and try to take the photo vertically like shown in this picture. And from this picture, you can get to know what is the scale of the photograph. Like here 1 centimeter on the photograph will mean how much on the ground. If you know that, you can find out like distance, or even you can find angles and elevation, which we will be seeing later. So photogrammetry is nothing but the science of measuring with photos so that you can determine the relative position of points. Same as surveying, here also in the end you determine the relative position of points. So the advantage here is that without even setting foot on the ground, you can find out the distances. So that is the main advantage here. So in case of difficult terrains, for those conditions, this will be very helpful. Like before laying out a highway on a difficult terrain where it is very difficult to go and survey on ground, they usually do it by mounting cameras on aircrafts. So this will give you an idea how the terrain is and how you can plan your highway along the terrain. So mostly photogrammetry deals with aerial photos where you take the photos vertically like shown in the picture. So apart from that, you also have terrestrial photos, which is used very rarely, which is from the ground surface itself. So here we should take care that these vertical photos, when you take, the axis should be as vertical as possible. Otherwise, if it is even 1 degree tilted, you might not get these distances accurately. So the axis should be as vertical as possible. Any unintentional tilt, even if it is a 1 degree tilt, it will give a different distance. So usually when they take these photos from a camera mounted on an aircraft, like 1 to 3 degree tilt is often observed. And also when they take these photographs, it's like when you mount the camera on the flight, it will cover a certain portion. Then the flight keeps on moving, so it will cover one more portion and so on. Then it will complete one lap and then come back and cover the next set. Like that you can cover the whole area. So this flight should be planned accordingly. So as you can see from this photo, you can get only 2D coordinates. Like in case we need 3D coordinates, we try to take photos from different angles. It is like how we see images from the brain. Like one set of view we get from our left eye and another set of view we get from our right eye. So from this we are able to have a perspective vision and judge the elevations, etc. So similarly here also you try to take two images from a slightly different position. So that will give you the 3D coordinates, and this is known as stereoscopic viewing.